How to find the digital code for Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to One Two Step. If you're also trying to find the digital code that you have received on Amazon, let me show you the way you can find it. Open up your Amazon.com and then log into your account. Once you are logged in, just hover over your profile and a drop down menu will open up. Click on Account. From the Account section, if you scroll down under Digital Content and Devices, just click on Digital Gifts you received. Through this section, you'll be able to see all of the gifts that you receive, and along with that, you'll also see the code. If you want, you can also filter out a few settings, such as the gifts you received or sent, and you can also search for it. You can sort it by oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So that was the quick way of finding digital code for Amazon. If this video was helpful, give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.